All right, guys, welcome to round 3 of the summer series. When you come through this gate, you have a choice. You go left or right. All right. These are 2 slaloms, so you can enter from you start from the left or the right. It's an over/under.
Oh, dope. Oh, wow.
But because I don't have a flag, you can actually go around it if you want, to the right and then go through, or make an over/under.
And the home of the
All right, so we're here at the Good Times FPV level 3, I guess, here at OCMA. We just finished up qualifiers. Oh my God, this music is so loud. I'll walk on the other side of the music. Okay, so we're here at the OCMA race of the Good Times FPV race series. We just finished up the qualifiers. Qualifiers went okay. My first one was pretty good, and then I didn't actually build on it. I switched from 4S to 6S, which might have been a mistake in hindsight, but I thought it was gonna be a good idea. And hopefully as I get more comfortable with 6S, that'll be less of an issue. The track's looking pretty fun. It's actually a really fun track to do. So hopefully the mains will go pretty well. I've made it to the C main, and we got a lot of good competition out here in the sportsman and the expert classes. So stay tuned.
Alrighty, here we go. Pilots, good luck. Arm your quads. We are racing on the tone. Wrong tone. We got our first false start for the day. Hang tight, guys. Bring them back, get them back on the grid. You're only allowed 1 false start. All right, that is time on the master clock. Race it to the line. When you cross the line, you will be done. Coming across the line right now, that is Jay Dredd, gonna finish 2nd. But you did win Sage's battle. And your winner, your bump spot, no freestyle. That's considered freestyle in my book. Up, that's another freestyle move.
MC Laughing.
All right, MC Laughing with the win and the bump spot. All right, here we go. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. We are racing on a tone. All right, here we go with the whole shot. It is gonna be Q. All pilots choose the left-hand side of the track. In second, it's going to be MC Laughing, followed by Ripper, R3, and then HKD. Into the upgate, over the slalom, into the downgate, and the split. That's going to be MC Laughing, your leader, followed by R3, HKD, Ripper, and then Q. Here we go into the dive gate, now onto the back side of the track, coming around the tree, over Trump's wall. To the front side, that is the quad of MC Laughing, followed by R3, HKD, Ripper, and Q is having trouble once again. Oh man, crossfire woes. Here we go, over the slalom, into the dive gate. We do believe we have a new leader. That is going to be, no, MC Laughing still out in front. Followed by Ripper now, HKD and R3. Here we go into Trump's wall. Do we have a lead change coming across the front side? We got a battle into the start-finish gate. MC Laughing and Ripper doing battle through the slalom. Ripper with the better line coming through the slalom. Trouble for MC Laughing. Oh no, that was trouble for Ripper. So here we go at the split. It is still going to be MC Laughing out in front. Man, I have seen this guy go from the novice class to the sportsman class, now duking it out with some of the best in Southern California. This guy has been putting in some work. Coming across the front side, that is your leader, MC Laughing. He was your bump spot, now he's your leader. We've got 20 seconds left in this one. Your leader up over the slalom section, now into the down gate at the split. He remains your leader. R3 in the second spot. Ripper had trouble. HKD also with trouble. Your leader now into Trump's wall. Looking calm, cool, and collected. Across the front side.
MC Laughing done.
MC Laughing caught at the line, but he does take the win. And the bump spot, MC Laughing.
Wow, man.
Welcome to the A main event, MC Laughing.
The race is completed.
All right, so I wasn't expecting to take that double bump, so I've actually got no batteries ready. This is my charging situation right now. I'm charging on my car battery, trying to get my packs back up.
Coming into A number 1. He's not a new, well, he is a newbie, drone pilot, but he's not a newbie rookie. He's a seasoned veteran. Alrighty, goggles down, pilots. Take a deep breath or two. Good luck to all my pilots and congratulations to making the A main. Pilots, arm your quads. We are racing on the tone. Here we go with the hole shot. Who is it gonna be? Beat Up with the hole shot, followed by Pieman, Lennon, TIE Fighter, and MC Laughing. Here we go, out of the slalom, up and over the slalom section. Now to the down gate. I've got Pieman out in front, followed by Lennon, TIE Fighter, MC Laughing, and B-Dub. Here we go, through the tunnel now into the dive gate. We got our leaders up and over Trump's wall. Coming across the line first, it is going to be TIE Fighter, followed by Pieman, Lennon FPV, then MC Laughing, and then B-Dub. Trouble for one, I see dust in the air. He is back in the air now. Here we go now into the split. Who is it going to be? TIE Fighter out in front. In that second spot at the split, it is going to be MC Laughing in the second spot right at the split. He was your bump. He started in 5th. Now he is in 2nd. Over Trump's wall, coming across the front side, your leader is TIE Fighter. Right behind him, last time by 4 seconds, this time by 4.7. MC Laughing not far back, chasing the leader through the slalom. Your leader over the slalom into the dive, or not dive, but the down gates. Here we go now, your leaders through the tunnel into the dive. Your second place now around Trump's wall into the tunnel. Oh, trouble for second place. Looks like he might have had a weird desync type issue as 3 and 4 now are going to catch up to second place. Your leader just crossed the line. TIE Fighter on lap number 3. Your leader with 20 seconds left in this one. Battle for second coming across the line now. Looks like Lennon is going to take that second spot away from MC Laughing as they exit the slalom now. Coming around into the first. Your leader is coming around the tree, setting up for Trump's wall. He does the little split S stall coming around the front side with the mix match props. That is TIE Fighter. That is time on the clock. Race it to the line. Race it to the line. Every point is going to matter in a triple A main format. Taking that second spot is going to be Lennon FPV. On his victory lap, though, is TIE Fighter all by himself on his victory. MC Laughing for 3rd. Pieman looks like he's going to finish 4th and B-Dub for 5th. And your winner coming across the line, taking the win last week in the OCMA series, now taking A number expert class. In the 5th position with a total of 11 points, that's going to go to Lennon FPV. In the 4th position with a total of 10 points, that's going to be MC Laughing, your bump spot. In the 3rd position, the first one to the podium, and he has a total of 9 points. That's going to be Pieman. In the 2nd spot, with a total of 8 points, that's going to be B-Dub. And taking the win on the day with a win, and a 5th place finish, a total of 7 points, that's going to be TIE Fighter.
Thanks.
Act like you know each other. Come on.
Please no.